All right, we are going for our walk. I wish I could say it was morning, but it's not. It's afternoon. Man, we were in Fortaleza, Brazil yesterday, and boy, it took a lot out of us, didn't it? We got back on the ship, we hung out a little bit, and
we didn't do a lot, but we had a full day.
it was a full day, and we were exhausted. And we got up probably around 10 o'clock, was it? Oh, 8:30. But we really didn't stop moving or doing anything till about around 10 o'clock. We were just following up on stuff in our room, and now we just left the room. We're gonna get our walk in. So why don't you guys come along with us? We're gonna do a full walk around on the Sapphire Princess, and we're starting now. This is what we're looking at. It's a beautiful day. We're off the coast of South America. A little windy up here in the front. We're off the coast of South America. We were in Brazil yesterday, and we are heading to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Everyone says it's just an amazing place to visit, so we're excited to get over there and check it out. Look at these birds, huh? Still following us. Albatrosses, eh? What's that?
Look at that.
Yeah, when we saw the albatross.
Yeah. It's a little smaller usually, but I don't know. Look at how close.
But it's hard to look at how close they are. That's a pretty big wingspan. Oh yeah, that's a.
Yeah, but I don't know.
I'm telling you, that definitely looks like an albatross. But they're close, huh? Look at look at this. Yeah, look at the wingspan on them.
Yeah.
They're fishing right now. Look at the water. All right, we got to get walking on. I know, I can too. Oh, there goes one down, going to get something to eat. We just had a dive right there. Look at this one. Literally, we could sit here, exactly. We could sit here and watch them all day. They look amazing.
Their little eyes and beaks looking around. It's amazing.
And look at them, man. They can fly. Woo! All right, let's get walking. Yeah, I think those were albatross. I've seen quite a few in my day. There's the black albatross. There's the white black-tipped albatross. What did the other person say? Yeah, everybody's checking them out. We should try getting one on our G phone. Yeah, everybody's checking them out, which is pretty cool. So we just came from we're towards the front of the ship. We just left the front. Let's take a look at what's going on here. All right. I actually like this deck. This is deck 7. It's a great deck to just hang out, lounge, walk. Depending on the time of the day you come here. If you come here real early, there's not a lot of people out here. And you can run if you're into running, which I am. I kind of do a little run, walk, run, walk, run, walk. But when there's a lot of people like this, I do more walking than I do running. Good morning. Afternoon. He said to the guy, good morning. He said, good morning back. I turned around, I looked at my watch. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm like, good afternoon. He goes, good afternoon. Oh, man. Good afternoon. Yeah, the biggest thing getting out here walking is getting that heart rate up. And when you're walking, good afternoon. When you're walking, it's tough to get the heart rate up. I mean, way up there. I mean, it goes up some, but not like when you're running. When you're running, your heart rate gets up there and it gets the blood flowing. Let's take a look at the back of the ship. My favorite part of the ship. Nice. Good afternoon. There's a lot of people on this ship that don't speak English. They're from South America. So when I'm talking to them and say, hey, good afternoon, they're not necessarily understanding what I'm saying. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Like I said, we are sailing the coast of South America. Ultimately, after this sailing will stop in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and then we stay on for another sailing that takes us to Antarctica. We're really excited about that one. I had Antarctica beer yesterday in Fortaleza, Brazil. Fortaleza, Brazil is you need to be very cautious when you're there. It's not very I wouldn't recommend it as being a highly safe area. But we still got out. We had Sergio, our tour guide, with us, and he was amazing. He really was. And what I mean not safe is just when we were walking outside the port area, and they said, don't go out there, don't go out there. There's ghettos out there and there's gangs waiting to take advantage of passengers right outside the cruise port. So, to me, I consider that dangerous. When we're doing a video on it. Check it out. Look for a video on @Hubbards Journey on YouTube, and we're gonna put a video out there in Fortaleza, Brazil. Check it out, and you can make your own opinion of what you thought about the area. What'd you say? I can't hear you.
This is one loop.
We're almost there, one loop. Almost. Once we get up top there, we're gonna do a loop. Andrea says, I think that's one loop. I said, no, not until we get up top here. Once we get up top here, we're gonna call that one loop. Like I said, if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. we try to answer all our questions and all our comments. So this is one complete loop on the Sapphire Princess off the coast of South America. And this is where I say, ciao for now.
We'll see you soon.